Hi everyone. It's Tom here again, and happy spring, guys. And today I'm going to make. Well, let me just take the washing out, and then you would see for this spring special. Let me just take those washing out. We had pizza for lunch. I think that's beyond rinse. And you can't see it probably because of the sun glare and I hate sun glares. But rinse, that takes 1600, which I'm not going to do a spin. Oops. Can you set a time delay on it? Oh yeah, you can. I want to put this on my YouTube channel, and it goes up to 24 hours, so that's good. Then off. You can't have super wash, you can't have reduced creases, you can't have mini road, you can't have time saver, and you can't have eco wash. And it works now. It's only water, main wash. For this this is for you spring fans, and this is the spring special. You have to basically do a little rinse, and then I'm going to drain it, and then a spin. Right, it's got a little bit of water in now. I'm going to let it do about 5 tumbles. So now I'm going to do a spin now, but only at 400 start. That was a mistake, but yeah. It's going to do a unbalanced spin, so then I want to finish it, and oh yeah, it's perfectly balanced. And that will be it. But bye guys. Happy spring, guys. Bye.